Navigation in the Google Calendar mobile app isn't perfect, but there are a couple of shortcuts you can use to make things better. So here, for instance, if I click on 14 in the monthly view, that's going to open the schedule or agenda view. Now, if I click on a specific day, if I click on, for instance, Wednesday, and I click on the 13, that's going to open the daily view. And if I click again, that's going to take me back to the agenda view without having to open the menu. So again, I could click on the 12 for Tuesday and open the daily view. Click again on the 12 and I go back into the agenda view. I can also quickly delete events just by swiping the event off to the right. Delete this event, OK. And then I can go back, for example, to the daily view, agenda view. Unfortunately, if you want to go back to the weekly view from here, you have to go back into the menu to the weekly view. So click a day to open the agenda, click a day again to open the full day, and back.